Alright, here's my Zippo collection. This is an 8-ball camel Zippo. It's missing the camel off it, but you know. My brother picked it up for like $8. Been used. Not so bad. My Jack Daniels Zippo. Never been used. The Harley Davidson Zippo. Paid like $30 for it. Another camel Zippo. But the insides aren't camel. There ain't a Zippo though. Another Zippo. I got this one from my sister when I used to smoke. Back in '03. I don't know if you can make that out. Just a Zippo my brother found. It needs work. Lid's kind of missing its pen. Just a lighter we found. It's not a Zippo or nothing, but it looks pretty cool. The Zippo we got for free from Marlboro. That's one of them. Here's the other one. Yeah, I got a free Zippo. My brother got a free Zippo. And here's some more Zippos we got from Marlboro for free. Oops. And this last Zippo I bought from eBay. Cost me like $26.50 with shipping. It's a Joe Camel Zippo. Never been used. Only been opened once or twice by me. I'll get it out of there. Nope, not working. Okay, cold beans. Okay. Pretty good Zippo. We'll probably never ever use it. Thanks for watching my Zippo collection.